Hi, in front of me is VERNEE M5 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Magic Fluids and download this app from this developer. Now open it and tap at the bottom right corner, choose Settings, click I accept, and over here you will be able to customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner again, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click Set Wallpaper at the top left corner, and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!